from your institution?
Yes, sir. Alam nyo, nakakatawa during the pandemic because for the past 15 years, Sir Cesar, I've been teaching live, no? As in, literal, they come to my studio, they went here to study, even from Davao, Cebu. May nagpa-fly siya every week, lumilipad. Sabi ko, mas mahal pa binayaran mo sa aeroplano kaysa sa binayad mo sa akin. Yun yung nakita kong problema nung during that time. Kasi we only have limited people. I only teach 10 to 15 people. So hindi ako pwedeng lumagpas ng 20 kasi magulo na at masikip na yung aming training room. And for the past 15 years, I have made 50, as in 50 batches. And in 2019, I declared that it is the end of VoiceWorks, Basic Voice Acting Workshop. So, hindi ko alakalain na ito papasok na yung magkakaroon ng pandemic. No? Ito nga, January, February, I created this program called Voice Act Now to prepare for an online training. Biglang napaaga kasi nagsisimula pa lang kami. I still remember as in exactly 1 year ago, March, second week of March, we did yung first week muna. We met, no? So that's the first day. And on the second Saturday, dineklara kaagad yung yung lockdown. So I have to think of something na sabi ko, matagal ko nang pangarap to 5 years ago na magkaroon ako online. So I have to shift sa online automatically. But of course, I don't know how to do it. So what I did is I give free workshop every week, no? Different programs for the next 3 months. Just to practice, just to learn how to do it. And mind you, sir, yun ang kagandahan. Since it's free, there's like thousands of people who applied for scholarship. So I only accepted 100 per training. So nakakatuwa. Ang daming mga natuto, maraming nabigyan ng chance. At dahil nga online, kahit nasa ibang bansa, sir, I have served more than 30 countries around the world. Mostly mga OFW na matagal na nilang gusto mag-try and voice acting. And katulad ng tanong nyo, saan magagamit? Sir, napakarami paggagamitan ng boses. Nagulat na lang ako when I created this program called Certified Voice Artist Program, before they pay 10,000 pesos. Now, what I did is, sabi ko, just to help them, ginawa ko na ng 5,000. 15 years, sir, hindi ako nagtaas, nagbawas pa ako. Bakit ka mo naging 5,000 na